Welcome to our tutorial on enhancing React performance by minimizing re-renders using React Profiler tools. If you're a React developer, you know how crucial it is to maintain a smooth and responsive user interface. But as applications grow, unnecessary re-renders can become a significant performance bottleneck. In this video, you'll discover how to use React Profiler tools to diagnose and reduce these re-renders, ultimately enhancing your application's performance. By the end, you'll understand how to leverage React Profiler to gain insights into rendering behavior and apply practical optimizations. So, if you're interested in delivering high-performance React applications, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials that keep you updated with the latest in React development. Let's dive in. To fully grasp how to enhance React performance, it's important to understand some core concepts. React's component lifecycle, for instance, includes methods like component didMount and component didUpdate, which are crucial in managing component updates. The virtual DOM is another key player. It allows React to efficiently determine what needs to be re-rendered through a process called reconciliation. Now, the React Profiler comes into play by providing insights such as commit time and render time, helping you identify which components are causing performance issues. Common triggers for re-renders include changes to state, props, and context usage. By recognizing these triggers, you can strategically minimize unnecessary updates. Let's look at a practical example of how we can use React.memo to enhance performance by minimizing re-renders. In this example, we'll create a functional component and wrap it with React.memo to prevent it from re-rendering unless its props change. Next, let's see how useCallback and useMemo hooks can further optimize performance by memoizing functions and values respectively, preventing unnecessary re-renders. Now, let's ensure our development environment is set up correctly, including the necessary dependencies and config files. In this demonstration, you'll see how these optimizations come to life. Imagine navigating to an application where you can interact with UI elements like buttons and input fields. As you click to increment a count or type into an input, notice how the application remains smooth and responsive. This is the result of minimizing re-renders with techniques like React.memo, useCallback, and useMemo. You can even scroll through the application seamlessly, all thanks to these performance enhancements. That wraps up our tutorial on enhancing React performance by minimizing re-renders using React Profiler tools. We've explored essential strategies like React.memo, useCallback, and useMemo to improve application responsiveness. By applying these techniques, you can ensure your React applications run efficiently, providing users with a better experience. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key in the ever-evolving field of React development. If you found this tutorial valuable, please subscribe to our channel. You'll accelerate your learning curve with real-world examples you can use in your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.